Hey Scorpio, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Oh, okay. So I'm seeing that somebody is going to make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. Let's see how I want to do this. It's good regardless. Okay, so we have make the effort. I have honeymoon, enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Bottom of the deck, love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Okay, so two things, guys. That's why I said it's good regardless, but two things. So I see that Spirit is saying, Scorpios, like they want you to make the effort, because I'm seeing that for some of you guys that have been single, you're not talking to anyone, there's love coming in. I am seeing it's split because I heard new, old. So some of you guys have someone brand spanking new that you're going to meet while you're out traveling, whether that's like you going to the grocery store, you visiting family and friends. You know, some of you guys are still going on vacation, so I feel like you are going to end up meeting someone. This person is not going to be like your usual type of person that you go for. So this is why Spirit is saying they want you to keep an open mind, and they want you to stay optimistic about your love life, because I'm telling you, you got love coming in. For others of you, this definitely, I told you I heard old, so it could be the past person. And like I was telling, I don't remember what sign, Cancer or Aries, one of them. Whoever this is, when I say past person, this could be someone you dealt with, you know, you've been dealing with for years. This could be someone that you met this year and y'all just went your separate ways and they want to come back, you know, or whatever. So just take it however it fits. But there's somebody that wants to make it right with you, and they're going to come towards you. They're making them plans because they're hoping that you're keeping an open mind. They want to be with you. But with love yourself first, that lets me know somebody was in the way. Somebody was definitely blocking this connection, or blocking the two of you from trying to move forward, whether it's friends, family, or another love interest. So, yeah, let's hop in. Let's see. Okay, let's back up for a second. I just heard, for some of you that are single and the new person is coming in, I don't know who this is for, but alright, I'm gonna just say it. Spirit doesn't want you out here acting up, okay? Don't be no hoe, okay? I'm sorry, y'all. I just had to say it. They want you to know your self-respect. You know, it goes back to that card that was at the bottom of the deck. So if somebody's coming at you a certain type of way and you already pick up like they just want sex from you, and you know damn well you want more than that, no, they gotta go. So I'm gonna tell you, like, yeah, I can tell you all day somebody new is coming in or somebody from the past coming back, whatever the case is, but if they don't respect you, they gotta go. You know, so some of you guys might go through a lesson first before the good new person comes in. So just keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open. Men and women, okay? Alright, so anyway, let's hop in. Spirit, what's going on with my Scorpios? I don't know why I keep seeing the 3 of Cups. So you see what I'm saying? That's like there's a third party. Some of you guys could be getting ready to get, you know, asked out by someone. Going out with friends, celebrating. Let's see. Okay, Spirit, what's going on with my Scorpios? Ooh, that's so much. Bottom of the deck, I have the Fool reverse. So that lets me know someone is not taking a leap to do something. Let's see. Alright, yep. Somebody feels like you're not going to put any time, effort, or energy into them, because they're going to come back wanting to give you a small offer. It feels like friendship. You know, they're going to try to figure you out or feel you out first, but they're struggling making a decision, yeah, because they want to turn things around with you, but the way that card came out, they're afraid that it might not, because in the past, this person was being sneaky. And I'm seeing that they're making changes, because they want things to improve between the two of you. Okay. Yeah, this person, whoever I'm picking up on, they were being very immature, very childish. Yep, you did more. You put more time, more energy into the situation than they did, and they recognize it. And see, that's why they know that they kept stabbing you in the back. And the way that card came out, it's like they want to make it right. They want to heal things, but they feel like you're going to cut them off. There's 1111. So somebody feels like you're the one. They're listening to their intuition. See, they want to move forward. That's why they're going to come and give you this small offer. So this feels like a soulmate or a twin situation already. And I'm not even seeing certain cards, but it's just the energy I'm picking up. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. But this person, they're dragging their feet to have this new start, to reach out. See, I told y'all they're making plans. Somebody wants this new opportunity with you, Scorpio, but I feel like they're scared because maybe it's secrets, things that they kept hidden from you. Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces. Somebody could have also been dealing with an Aquarius, but they want to heal things with you because right now they're frustrated. They feel like they lost you for good. Okay. Yep. The seeds that they planted with you, they feel like it may not grow. Yeah, they feel like things may not improve because there was a third party here. And they do feel like you're going to walk away from them. Okay. And they don't have a peace of mind about that. But the way the Wheel of Fortune came out, yeah, this person, I'm telling you, they're putting an end to a cycle. And I'm even seeing 8, 9, 10. Yeah. There's a cycle that they were going through. It's done. You know, and now they want to move forward with you. But they're afraid of what you're going to say. See, they gotta move fast. This person's gonna come in fast because they want to tell you that they did remove themselves from a third party, you know, and they're trying to stay positive. They're hoping that you're gonna give them a chance. See, they're gonna take a leap towards you, but right now they're not talking to you. There's little to no communication. They feel like if they speak their truth to you, you're not gonna give them a chance. Clarify justice reverse. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify justice reverse. Okay, that's an important document or contract. So somebody's going through something legal. I feel like they're trying to get out of something. If they haven't gotten out of some type of legal situation, they're getting ready to. And that's why they're like, okay, I'm not going to have a new beginning with Scorpio or Crosswatcher. This is how they're feeling about you until they get out of some type of situation. See, there's somebody blocking here. Mother figure. If not, it's another man or another woman in the picture. And this is the problem. Somebody could have been dealing with the Sagittarius, but see, they want to balance things out, but look at that. They're frustrated and they're going to clear away these obstacles to remove themselves from a toxic situation they put themselves in. Could be dealing with a Capricorn. Yeah, them walking away or getting out of some type of court or legal situation with this person here, they're going to take a financial loss. Yep, look at that. 10 of Pentacles. I told you. They want to make sure their money is together because whoever this is, y'all saw how that flipped out. It was a little creepy. So, it's like they're trying to make sure, financially speaking, they're going to be okay once they remove themselves from this other person. And that's why they've been isolating themselves, because that person is going to come after them hard. And they know it. Somebody could have been dealing with a Virgo. Somebody could have been dealing with a Gemini. But this person definitely, you know, they want to be with you, but see, they're not telling you right now. They keep all their, you know, thoughts, their emotions to themselves. So they're coming out of being frustrated because, see, there's going to be a judgment. This is them going to court. Somebody's going to court. King of Pentacles reversed. But see, they're worried about their stability. I told y'all, this is money. They're worried about their finances. They're worried that this other person is going to win in court. And they're going to be drained out financially speaking. See? Because I'm picking up two things looking at this now. So I feel like when it comes to the person that they're going to have to go to court with, whether it's you or someone else on the other end, they're trying to work something out. Like, okay, hey, what if I do X, Y, and Z, but this other person is giving them a hard time. When it comes to you, because of all of this nonsense that they put you through, when they come back to speak their truth, they're afraid that you're going to reject their offer. See, they're going to have to work really hard to have you, you know, and to win you back. If you give them a chance. See, they got to speak their truth to you, but they know that they hurt you. They feel like you're not going to talk to them. But see, there's the Ace of Pentacles Ooh, I couldn't even get my question down. There it is. Okay. Yeah, that's you. They're going to give you the offer here, but see, you're not going to take it. That's what they're thinking. See, they're gonna have to. They've been helping someone else out. Like I told y'all before, mother figure. So I don't know if this is like a family member, if they've been helping a friend that has a child, if they have a child with someone else. Whatever the situation is, it's someone in their family or someone from the past, and this is why they're concerned about their stability, and this is why they can't give you an offer until they remove themselves out of some type of contract or commitment. But they feel like you don't want them, and they're gonna come out of this energy, see, because they want a new beginning with you. So they're gonna figure it out, because you're the person that they want to spend their life with. They just don't have the strength to come towards you just yet. Somebody's dealing with a Leo. See, you're their wish fulfillment. Clarify the 10 of Cups. Yeah, but they're watching you. So yeah, that goes, yes, family. Somebody's dealing with some type of family situation, and I'm seeing that they're gonna have to cut this off. But they're having a hard time, because I feel like whoever I'm picking up on, this person takes care of family, or they take care of someone. They're like the sole provider, you know? And so they're trying to figure out, okay, I know I'm going to have to pay this person. I know I'm going to have to continue to give to them once I, you know, get myself out of this. But when it comes to you, they're having a hard time because they're regretting their actions. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. Clarify the Emperor. I had another 4 try to jump out. I told y'all, this is some type of home, family, living situation going on. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Yeah, somebody's getting out of a commitment, a marriage, a contract. There's something here. But they're afraid that you don't want them. See, they're going to put an end to a situation, but I'm telling you, they're feeling like you don't want them anymore. And so they're having a hard time making a decision, because ultimately it's like you make them happy. Clarify the Sun. Ooh, they don't know what to do. 7 of Cups trying to come up. Reverse. See? 8 of Swords. They feel stuck right now. That's why they're not talking to you. They don't know what to do. They don't know what to do. They don't know what to say. But Spirit is saying they will listen to their intuition, because I'm seeing that they want to have a victory with you. And they're going to be confident when they come back in, because, see, they want to heal things, because they did leave you out in the cold. Even though at times they're unsure about their financial stability, if things are going to improve in that area. They're also concerned that things may not improve between the two of you, but they have to try, you know. And so that was them in the past, all talk, no action. Now they're going to have to come back and say something to you, but see, they're battling themselves, you know, and they're going to have to move fast. They got to move fast, but see, they're undecided about how to come towards you, because your guard is up with them at this point. I feel like for some of you guys, you went back to this person, you know, because they were taking too long to reach out, or maybe they reached out to you, but you tried to ask them questions and had that honest, you know, heart-to-heart conversation with them, and either they weren't being honest, they were sugarcoating stuff, or they flat out told you what was going on, but they didn't make a move to do what they need to do to get out their situation. Bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the Queen of Wands. So Spirit is saying they need you to keep your head up. They want you to stay positive, because you guys are go-getters, you know. And I'm seeing, look at that, things will improve for you, but at times you're not confident. You don't know how things are going to play out between the two of you. All right, so this is you guys realizing the truth. And the truth is, there's little to no communication. You're like, you know what? This person I was dealing with, they're not speaking up. They're not talking to me. They're not doing what they have to do. So guess what? I have to remove myself from this third party. I have to let them go. But you don't have a peace of mind. But you see how that 9 of Pentacles land on top of the 9 of Cups? This cycle that you guys have been going through is wrapping up. Y'all are tired. But see, you got to make a decision. You have to make a decision. And they're saying you're not positive about making this decision. Clarify? But you got to walk away. You guys have got to walk away. Tell me more. There's the King of Pentacles. Okay, clarify the King of Pentacles. What's going on? Ooh! Scorpios. You got 2 men. You see what I'm saying? You guys have options. So Spirit is saying, once you decide